NSE. All this and more over the next 60 minutes.
Okay, some news coming in the bottom of the screen. China to cut reserve requirement ratio by 25 basis points. So more easing from China coming through. Data has been strong, commentary has been strong, and this is the latest coming through from China. Markets, of course, Asian markets are shut. And the one thing which kind of people instinctively look to when China does something is, of course, what happens to metals here. So we'll see. But this is coming in right now. Now, what to do in the last hour of trade, in the last hour of the week as well. Mitessh is with us. Mitessh, 75, 80 points higher. So it'll take some time, right? Base building, I think, is what you said in the morning. But is this kind of contributing towards that base building, to today's action, and in a constructive way, you think?
Very much, Prashant. In fact, today we did open higher, failed to get past the upper end at 17,150, declined to 16,950 or just about 16,960, and then have again started moving up. So this is basically contracting, which is not a very bad sign. This still becomes more of a sideways activity between 16,800, 850 on the downside to about 17,150 on the upside. And maybe a day or two more, but I think then there's a good chance that we'll attempt to get past 17,150, have at least a trading or a stronger pullback rally, possibly to 17,250, 300 zones to begin with. And if we start getting past those pivots, then I think we'll look at higher levels. So for the timing, the idea is that don't be bearish. I think short trade has played out. At least one leg of short trade has played out. Wait for some kind of a stronger pullback before you go short again on the index. Coming to stock side, Maruti is a sell. That's a stock which is broken down. So keep a stop above 8,400. Sorry. Look for targets of around 8,200 on the downside over here. While Naveen 14 is something which I would recommend as a buy call with a stop just below levels of 41.90 for targets of 43.50.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's talk a bit about mid-cap technology. The IT index is leading from the front. The Nifty